Hey guys, my name is Alan LaRose here at MarineMax Cocoa, and right beside me is a brand new 2023 Harris Sunliner 21 footer. Beautiful boat, two-tone colors, black, nice silver accent. On this boat, on the back, you can see here, we've got the nice safety railing, and this right here is a spot where we can add a fender. Great place to store them, it does come with fenders. Pop-up cleats. The nice upgrade on this boat is the nice big ladder. Big telescoping ladder. You fold this down, big 4 steps. The top actually has a double step there. And a nice 2 big grab rails to help yourself up onto, as well as a ski tow bar to also hold on as you get up. We are powered with a Mercury 200 4-stroke outboard. So this boat's gonna get up and run really, really nice. Had one out the other day, cruising around, super quiet, amazing motors, amazing boat. Well, come on around, we're gonna take a look at the rest of the boat. As we come up here, we've got docking lights, we've got our nav lights. And these little pieces right here are actually a really nice feature. These are clips for the fenders. So it's not always somewhere in a pontoon boat where you can actually tie off the fender. This right here is just a clip. So you take your wife, your daughter, your son, anyone can go and just clip the fender in. It's gonna hang over the side. You can set the length to it. It's a very nice feature. You don't have to worry about somebody tying it off. Finding a place to tie it off. So come on aboard. So as you come up into the boat, you've got nice big couch seating up here, cup holders with LED lights in the side of those, and you can also notice on both sides USB chargers to be able to charge your cell phone while it's right there. Right over here at the helm, this right here, wireless phone charger. Just set your phone right there, it's gonna charge there. JL stereo, and a Simrad 9-inch GPS. This one does have the upgraded high back helm seat. Over here, you can notice these armrests do fold down. Nice big subwoofer JL stereo upgrade in this boat as well. Coming to the back of the boat, a nice big lounge seat here. This is multi-position. You can lift up on this, treat it as a lounger on the back of the boat. Go one more time, and it makes a nice big bed here. This bimini is an option out with the power bimini, which is an amazing feature. Just hit a button right there in the dash. It's going to come all the way up and have 2 blocking legs for you to be able to support it. So this is a great boat. Come by and see us, MarineMax Cocoa. My name is Alan LaRose. Give us a call, 321-636-3142. Look forward to seeing you on the water. Have a great day.